Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stretch photo in Affinity. Whether you're trying to make an image fit a new design, create space for text, adjust a background, or make small corrections without starting over, stretching photos in Affinity can be a really useful technique. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods, a quick overall stretch and a more controlled method using Liquify. First, open Affinity and load the photo you want to work with so it's sitting on your canvas with the photo visible. Click it to make sure it's selected. You'll see a bounding box around the image. For a quick full image stretch, simply drag one of the handles that sit in the middle of each side of the box. Pull a side handle outward to stretch wider, or pull a top or bottom handle to stretch taller. This method uniformly pushes pixels in that direction, so it's perfect when you just need extra width or height to fit a layout. For example, if you're designing a banner and need a little more space on the sides, this quick adjustment can help you create the right proportions in seconds. Keep an eye on edges and important subjects so they don't look unnaturally distorted, and make small moves until it looks right. Faces, text, and recognizable objects are usually the areas where distortion becomes noticeable first, so avoid stretching these areas too aggressively. If you want more control over which parts stretch, click the photo again to confirm it's selected, then go to the filters icon and choose Liquify. This opens a focused editing view designed for reshaping. Use the basic push tool to nudge areas outward or inward and effectively stretch specific regions without affecting the entire image. This is especially helpful when you want to adjust the background while keeping the main subject looking natural. Adjust the brush size to match the area you're working on. A larger brush for broad, gentle shifts, or a smaller one for precise tweaks around details like faces, horizons, or objects. Light repeated strokes usually give the cleanest result. Instead of making one large movement, build up the effect gradually. This gives you more control and helps prevent unnatural shapes or stretched-looking details. If something looks overdone, ease back in the opposite direction or reduce the brush pressure for a softer touch. Small corrections often create a much more realistic final result. When you're happy, apply the changes to return to your canvas. Take a moment to compare the edited version with the original so you can make sure the adjustment improves the image without making it look artificial. That's it. You have two simple ways to stretch a photo in Affinity: a fast edge handle drag for overall width or height, and Liquify for targeted natural-looking adjustments. Use the quick method for layouts, backgrounds, and simple size changes. Reach for Liquify when accuracy matters around key subjects or when you need a more professional result. Take your time, check the image as you go, and make small, deliberate adjustments for the most believable results. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to practice both methods, because knowing when to use each one will help you create cleaner designs and better photo edits in Affinity.